Hi guys, name is Lee468 here, and today I'm going to be unboxing more Rubik's Cubes. So, I've already undone a bit of it, but anyway, let's get right into it. Okay, so I'll just take it out now. Got some bubble wrap, chocolate over there, and here's the first one. It's a Master Morphings. Put that down to the side. There's a no, this isn't a cube, this is a square one. A 4x4 here. And a mirror cube. Alright then, so I'll move straight on to opening the square one then. Okay then, I'll just move this out of the way now so you can sort of see me better. And I'll put these to the side over here. And yeah, so just, oh, there's instructions, that's useful. Not so useful if they're written in like Chinese. Yes. Well, I'm sure there'll be some YouTube videos somewhere, so if I just get the wrapping around it, it seems like quite a nice little box. And yeah. Oh, this is my first ever square one too. So I did have a friend I have a friend who has a square one, but wow, I've never had my own one and it's really weird. It won't turn like this, but yeah. So it will turn like this and it shapeshifts. So if I get, oh no, whoa, yeah, it I think it's just because of the packaging again. I think they all look small, but it's like with my other cubes, I thought they looked really small and then compared them and went, wait, they're like the same size. What? Yeah, so the square one really, wow, wasn't expecting this. Well, obviously I was expecting a square one, but didn't know it turned like that. And like this, like a Rubik's Cube, except it does that. Alright then, I'll put this to the side and I'll move on to the mirror cube then. Okay then, so got it here. Oh, and it won't seem to open if I use my finger. So I'm going to get some scissors. These are tiny scissors, but hopefully, oh, it just comes up. There we are. Alright, so I'm really excited for this. Again, it's got instructions, but unfortunately they're in Chinese or something. And I'll take, oh, it won't come out. That isn't good. There we are. Chuck that out of the way. Wow. Alright, this seems quite cool. I think you could probably solve it just like at 3x3, but I guess I'll have to see. I just have to like pretend that a colour is this, or so it hides a colour. Oh, this is really weird, wow. Oh, it turns the centres and... So unlike the square one, from what I can tell, square one here, you can't really do 3x3 algorithms on it. But here, it will do that and shapeshift. Wow. I think I'll give this a go at solving in a bit. I think I could probably do it, but wow, that is weird. Up, across, down, yeah, it does all the 3x3 algorithms. Wow. Alright then, I'll move right on to the 4x4. So I've got it here, and yeah. Okay then, so this is made by the same people that made the rest of my cubes. And if I get them down from my shelf, these ones that I did an unboxing video on the other day. Except this is a 4x4. So, comes on them quite nicely and easily. There's instructions as well. There we are. Okay. Wow. The instructions were on outside the box, so I had them there for a bit, but that moves quite nice, quite smoothly. Oh no, I'll move the box out of the way, you can't really see. I want to see how well I can do checkers on it. Oh wow. I just moved this. That's weird, but the rest is fine. It's like a 2x2. I remember you do something like this on the 2x2 to do it, so I'll do it in reverse. So if I do that though, oh, this is confusing. No. Yeah, I'll leave it, but it turns really smoothly, like my other ones I've got from these people. But wow, yeah, quite like that one. Yeah, let's just move on to the last one, which is the Xing Shao Master Morphinx, I believe. Yeah. Okay then, so if I just get into the box now. Oh no. I'm a bit wary of this one, as I know it possibly could break, but it's made by the same people who made the Mirror Cube, I believe. I think they might all be made by, hang on, wait, the packaging, somewhere down here. Oh, you can see this says it's made by, oh, does it? No. I'll just leave it. Okay, but let's get this out. Oh, I was really what? Oh, it turns like this. Will it turn? Oh, so it's like a. I knew that it shape-shifted, but I've never really seen anyone use one before. So you can just muddle it up without it shape-shifting, from what I can tell. If you just turn twice on it all. Seems to be a bit like a... What's it called? I'm trying to think of it. Oh, I can't think of the name, but it cuts on its edges. Yeah. Wow. I would have thought it was bigger, but then I suppose the picture... And it's like I really thought the measurements would be bigger, but I've just gotten used to it, and it really was the size one was meant to be. It's because it looks bigger when I look at people use them on camera. So it will shapeshift though. Oh, it won't shapeshift like this. Will it shapeshift like this? Oh. I can sort of hear like a little clicking bit. Yeah, this moves quite fast too, which is really good. So I'm quite happy about them all overall. Yeah, I think my favourite. Oh, actually, I really do like the look of this one because of just the way it moves, and I think it'll be quite interesting to learn. So here are the 4 I just unboxed. Wow. Okay. It moves really, really weirdly. But some angles it turns like a 3x3. And other angles it turns like that. And will make weird shapes. Yeah. Right, I really like these. They think it's because last time I thought they were all really small because of the packaging, but it's because I'm used to when I've ever got Rubik's brands, the packaging is always really big and colourful, and yeah. Whereas this is just a little box it fits in. So I'm really happy with these. Oh, hopefully none of them break. I really want to learn how to solve the 4x4. I think I may upload like a time lapse of me trying to solve these later. But yeah, I really like these, so I'll leave it here now. Wow. That's all I can think. I've only ever had one shape-shifting cube before, which broke, unfortunately, but this looks really weird when it's like that. Wow. That is just what happened. I was expecting it to turn a bit more like a pyramid, so if I just grab one now, I thought it would turn down like this, and it'd somehow shapeshift by doing that, but no, it turns on its edges. Like, oh, it's called a curvy copter, I think. where it turns on its edges. And you can, I believe, scramble it then if you wanted it just to look normal. However, oh no, I think I have scrambled it by accident. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I think, yeah, I got it. Yeah, I really like these. But for now, I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to try and learn how to solve these, and then I'll upload videos on how to. So, for now, guys, if you did enjoy, guys, then please do subscribe. And for now, bye.